Right, everyone, a quick update on GFI. So GFI is down 18.5% on the week. You can see it's a strong sell right now. So these are the times, in my opinion, to be buying. Nobody wants to buy this thing right now, and this thing is selling off. But as you can see here on the chart, high to the wick low here off of this potential bottom formation, we are still above the 236. We're currently at 218. So as long as Goldfinch stays above 207, you're going to continue, especially if we go down to the smaller time frames here. You can see the market structure to be bullish here, the higher highs off of this wick, the higher lows. So as long as you're above 207, we are still going to hold that market structure here, and she could continue to push higher off of that. So just keep that in mind. So I'm going to get the smaller one off of the chart here. Just remember 207. And then of course you can see the price right now is getting stuck low to the high, right back below the 236 here. So anywhere from 277 up to the 618 at about $3. And I'm going to draw a resistance box here. And this is going to be our price to beat to get some momentum back and to be at least short-term bullish off of this structure here. So 277 up to 299 is your price to beat. Let me go ahead and turn this red so we know this is our resistance area to watch. And then with that being said, as long as you're above 207, you could still push through this box here. But if you fall below 207, then of course the price is going to break that market structure and you're going to end up dropping down to the 0.5 at 179, dropping about 18%. But then once that structure is broken, you're probably going to go lower than this, and we would be looking back at the macro 382 at 107 and a potential 51% drop. So it remains to be seen if GFI is going to hold up where we are. So just keep a close eye on 207 here, that support level. And once we push back through $3, at that point we could potentially have a breakout all the way up to the 786. So if we end up holding here, we come up all the way through our box here, about a 38-39% move. Once we get over $3, we should have a nice spike up from where we are right now. You can see about 186%. And the next big stop would be that 786 at 624 here on Goldfinch. But if it ends up coming down lower to these targets, so be it. We'll get a chance to buy at these discount prices here. But right now it is looking good on the smaller time frames. We are on support and we're just kind of doing nothing right now. We're just kind of sitting here. So with all that being said, how high is GFI going to go here? Of course, if you don't know anything about the project, go do some research on it, go watch some videos on it. Other people have different information. We simply focus on the prices in the chart here. Now, with that all being said, if this thing breaks through 624 and eventually the previous high here on the Gate.io chart, we do have our target here. So we're looking at the 1272, a $4 billion market cap on GFI and the $52 price range. And you can see from today, that's going to give you about a 24x on your investment. So not a bad gain there for GFI. So of course, comment down below. What are your thoughts? None of this is financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.